Hi there, students. To gallivant. Okay, to gallivant means to move from place to place in search of pleasure, with no fixed plan. After he finished university, he went gallivanting round the world for a year, wandering about, looking for interesting and fun things to do. When I asked him to help me, he just gallivanted off without a word. So, to gallivant, to go about the place, to wander with no fixed plan, looking for something that looks cool. Long summer holidays are made for gallivanting. And notice, when you're gallivanting, you don't have a fixed plan. I'm going to do this and this. You just see what's cooking. You go here and there, trying to get your kicks and have a good time. Okay, so you have a lot of hard work to do, and you can't go gallivanting around. You can't gallivant off while I stay here and do the hard work. He spends his time gallivanting round town looking for the best party. He's always gallivanting about, but he really ought to be looking for a job. Yeah, so stop gallivanting and go looking for a job. I guess that lockdown has more or less put an end to gallivanting. People can't go gallivanting because they're supposed to stay at home. My cat spends all day sleeping and all night gallivanting, looking for fun things to do. So to gallivant, to enjoy your time travelling from place to place, just enjoying yourself and not worrying about other things that you probably should be doing. He gallivanted all over Europe. Yeah, so just take it easy and have fun while travelling. Yeah, no fixed plan. Let's just see what comes up next. So notice, to gallivant is a regular verb. He gallivanted all over Europe. He has gallivanted all over the world. Notice as well, to gallivant is intransitive, so a person gallivants. There's no direct object with the verb to gallivant. And then the next question, formality. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. It sounds like quite a posh word. It's fairly literary or poetic. Yeah, I don't think I would use this in an everyday conversation down the pub. Something to make you sound a bit posh. I think I might use wandering about looking for fun, roaming looking for a good time. Yeah, easy, going around, easy, whatever's easy to do and whatever's fun to do. Now the next question, origin. Well, we have a 19th century word gallant. Yeah, and gallant talks about flirting with women, trying to pick up girls, to go here and there, trying to pick up women. And maybe that has then broadened to just to roam or wander in search of pleasure. Okay? So, if you're watching this video, clearly you're not gallivanting, you're studying your English. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gallivant.